Sa video natin today, mas titignan natin ng mas malapitan ang Zero Logs promise ng Fastest VPN. What it really means, paano siya vini-verify, and whether it's a feature new VPN users should trust. What's up guys? Ako si Ashley at kung nakita mo na yung term na no logs policy sa isang VPN website tapos naisip mo, okay, pero ano ba talaga ang ibig sabihin nito? Hindi ka nag-iisa. So sa video na to, i-breakdown natin kung ano ba talaga yung Zero Logs, how VPN proves it, at kung nasaan ang Fastest VPN ngayon. Para malaman mo kung safe ba talaga siya pagkatiwalaan or isa lang ba siyang marketing claim. So, ayun, simulan na natin. Let's start sa basics. Ano ba ang Fastest VPN? Fastest VPN is a virtual private network designed para i-keep private yung data mo at secure ang pagbabrowse mo. It works by encrypting your internet connection and routing it through one of their servers around the world. So, natatago ang totoong IP address and location mo. Ibig sabihin nito, yung online activity mo, like what websites you visit, the videos you watch, or files you download, can be traced back to you. So, sobrang useful nito lalo na if you're using public Wi-Fi, kung magta-travel ka, or simply want to stop your internet provider from tracking what you do online. Fastest VPN positions itself as a budget-friendly privacy solution that still includes many of the same features as premium competitors. Mga bagay tulad ng AES-256 encryption na isang military-grade encryption, a kill switch, ad and malware blocking, at ngayon mas focus na rin sila sa Zero Logs policy nila. Before we dive into Fastest VPN specifically, let's clear up what Zero Logs really mean kasi hindi lahat ng VPN pare-pareho ang definition nito. When you connect to a VPN, it technically has access to two types of data. Una yung connection data tulad ng IP address mo, connection time, and bandwidth usage. Tapos yung activity data like what websites you visit, files you download, o anong mga searches ang ginagawa mo. Ang isang tunay na no-logs VPN should never store activity data. Yung iba pwedeng pansamantalang mag-log ng connection para sa performance o troubleshooting, but those details should never be tied back to you. Personally, sa simpleng terms, Zero Logs means no tracking of your browser history or any personal identifiable activity. Ibig sabihin, yung VPN provider can't hand over data to anyone even if asked because they don't have it in the first place. So, paano nga ba hinahandle ng Fastest VPNs yung ganito? I-breakdown natin kung ano yung sinasabi nila and what that looks like in practice. So, Fastest VPN's privacy policy states that they do not log, nagmo-monitor, o nagsastore ng user activity data. Ibig sabihin nito, they don't keep records of browsing history, connection timestamps, assigned IP addresses, or any other details that could identify you. The company does collect minimal operation data tulad ng email address para sa account setup at basic session performance metrics. But these are separate from your actual VPN activity. That type of information is common across most VPNs at hindi naman ito kino-compromise yung privacy mo. Ang talaga nagsa-stand out sa Fastest VPN ay the clarity in their language. Sinasabi nila na malinaw na hindi pwedeng mag-share o magbenta ng user data sa mga third parties because it simply doesn't exist. Wala ring tracking infrastructure na nakabuild sa servers nila na tugma mismo sa core definition ng isang Zero Logs policy. The one thing missing so far is independent verification. Ibig sabihin, yung Fastest VPN ay hindi pa talaga dumadaan sa isang third-party audit para sa no-logs policy nila, unlike some of the bigger VPNs. Like NordVPN and Surfshark have done this through companies like Deloitte or KPMG. Fastest VPN hasn't reached that stage yet, pero based sa privacy policy nila at internal structure, malinaw na top priority pa rin nila yung user privacy. For beginners, this is a good starting point. Nandun yung foundation. At dahil transparent yung language na ginagamit nila, mas madali mong maiintindihan how your data is handled. Fastest VPN keeps data private. Zero no-logs policy only matters if the VPN has the right security tools to back it up. So let's look at how Fastest VPN system supports its privacy claims. Lahat ng server nila ay gumagamit ng AES-256 bit encryption gaya ng nabanggit ko kanina, which is the same military-grade standard used by banks and government agencies. This encryption makes it virtually impossible for anyone, even Fastest VPN, na mabasa yung laman ng internet traffic mo. Gumagamit din sila ng secure VPN protocols like WireGuard, OpenVPN, at IKEv2. These protocols determine how your device communicate with the VPN network at bawat isa may iba-ibang balance ng speed at security. Si WireGuard lalo na kilala siya bilang parehong mabilis and secure. And Fastest VPN implementation has improved significantly over the past year. Yung kill switch feature naman ay isa pang importanteng bahagi ng setup dahil automatic nitong pinuputol yung internet connection mo. If the VPN connection drops, which prevents your real IP address or location from leaking, yung pinagsasamang tools na to, encryption, secure tunneling, and automatic protection, sinisiguradong mananatiling private yung data mo kahit wala ng logging policies na naka-place. Why zero logs matter for beginners? Kung bago ka pa lang sa VPN, baka iniisip mo kung bakit sobrang big deal ng zero logs. After all, kung wala ka naman talagang ginagawang mali online, bakit mahalaga kung nagsastore ng logs yung VPN mo? Ang pinaka main reason talaga dito ay trust. Kapag gumagamit ka ng VPN, parang pinapalitan mo lang yung internet provider mo ng bagong gatekeeper. Yung VPN company mismo, hindi na makikita sa ISP mo yung traffic mo, pero technically yung VPN pwede. That's why their data handling policy is crucial. If a VPN keeps logs, ibig sabihin pwede nilang ibigay yung activity mo kapag hinihingi ng gobyerno o kung mahak sila ng third party. A true zero logs policy removes that risk entirely. There's nothing to hand over. Para sa mga new users, this level of protection gives you peace of mind. Pwede kang mag-stream, mag-browse, mag-shop online nang hindi ka nag-aalala na may nagsastore ng information mo kung saan-saan. It's one of the simplest ways para mapanatiling private sa panahon ngayon na halos lahat ng apps ay nag-track by default. Now, to understand how zero logs VPN helps, let's look at a few everyday examples. Kapag kumonek ka sa public Wi-Fi sa cafe or airport, your data is exposed to anyone else on that network. Ang VPN ini-encrypt ang encryption mo at dahil zero logs, no one, including the VPN provider, can see what you're doing. If you're a remote worker handling client information, a no-logs VPN adds a layer of confidentiality. Your client's details and communications stay secure even if your Wi-Fi or device is compromised. And for travelers, useful to when you're in countries with stricter internet regulations. Ang zero logs VPN, sinisiguradong hindi nare-record o nasi-share yung browsing history mo even if local authorities request data. These scenarios show na hindi mo kailangan maging cybersecurity expert para talagang makinabang sa isang privacy-focused na VPN. Now, let's talk about some of the bonus tips for choosing a secure VPN. Kung nagko-compare ka ng mga VPN na gusto mong masigurado na totoong privacy protection na makukuha mo, may ilang tips talaga na dapat mo tandaan. Una, palaging basahin yung privacy policy. Alam ko, hindi siya exciting, but it's the only way to see exactly what's being logged. Look for clear statements like, we do not store browsing data, or we do not store IP addresses. Pangalawa, check the VPN's jurisdiction. Ang fastest VPN ay nakabase sa Cayman Islands na nasa labas ng Five Eyes Surveillance Alliance. Ibig sabihin nito, hindi sila legally required na mag-store o mag-share ng user data sa government agencies, which is a major advantage. Pangatlo, look for VPNs that plan to have completed independent audits. Kahit na yung fastest VPN ay wala pang audit sa ngayon, ang isang company na bukas tungkol sa operations nila at transparent about future audits is generally trustworthy. At panghuli, always use secure protocols like WarGuard or OpenVPN. Pinapanatili ng mga to ang malakas na encryption nang hindi sinasacrifice ang bills, giving you a balance of not only safety but also performance. Ngayon na mas naintindihan mo na ang fastest VPN, pag-usapan naman natin ng ilang pros and cons. Isa sa pinakamalaking advantage ng zero log policy ng fastest VPN ay yung clarity. They make it easy to understand what data is collected and what isn't. The fact that their jurisdiction supports privacy adds another layer of confidence. Their encryption standards and kill switch ay lalo pang pinapakita na yung data protection ay talagang built sa foundation ng service ng fastest VPN, not just advertise. Ang drawback lang dito, as mentioned earlier, ay yung fastest VPN ay hindi pa nakakapag-complete ng third-party audit para sa policy nila. While that doesn't mean their claims aren't valid, isa pa rin siya sa mga bagay na dapat tandaan. If you prefer VPNs that have been externally verified, dagdag pa, kahit na mas naging okay na yung overall transparency nila, pwede pa rin sana silang mag-level up by publishing regular transparency reports na ginagawa ng mas advanced na VPNs tulad ng Surfshark and Proton VPN. Still, for new users, ang fastest VPN ay nagbibigay ng very approachable na entry point papunta sa private browsing without unnecessary complexity or high cost. Speaking of cost, pag-usapan natin yung pricing. Kung gusto mong makatipid ng 93%, siguraduhin mong i-click yung exclusive link namin sa baba. Ang kagandahan ng fastest VPN at isa sa pinakamalaking selling point nila ay meron silang lifetime special deal. So, pwede mo talaga makuha yung fastest VPN pang lifetime na one-time payment lang na $40 and equivalent na yon sa 93% na savings. Kaya again, lalo na kung nasa budget ka, sobrang solid na option ito dahil doon. Wala nang subscription o kung ano pa man. One-time $40 payment na lang siya. So, bawat plan na to may kasamang mga features tulad ng WireGuard protocol, password manager, hanggang 10 multi-login and no-logs policy na pinag-uusapan natin kanina, and P2P optimized na din. Kasama na rin dito yung streaming sa Netflix, Disney Plus, and BBC iPlayer. Bukod pa dyan, may internet kill switch din, free malware protection, free NAT firewall, at free ad blocker. Napag-usapan na rin natin yung 256-bit encryption, 10 multi-logins, unlimited server switching, at 24/7 live chat support. A couple other things to mention is if you have more than 10 multi-logins, you can add logins for an additional $4 per device. Pwede ka rin magdagdag ng dedicated IP address sa halagang $1.49 per month mula sa Fastest VPN. Pwede ka rin magdagdag ng port forwarding sa halagang $1.20 per month. So even still, to add a dedicated IP and add more logins, sobrang cost-effective pa rin niya. At meron pa silang 31-day money-back guarantee ang Fastest VPN, kaya wala talagang risk at all. Basically, pwede mo siyang itry for 30 days at tignan kung magugustuhan mo siya. And if it doesn't work for you, pwede mo makuha ulit yung pera mo. So, should you trust Fastest VPN Zero Logs Promise? For beginners, yes. Fastest VPN Zero Log Policy is a foundation for privacy. Yung kombinasyon ng strong encryption, protective features, at isang privacy-friendly jurisdiction ay gumagawa ng secure na environment na pwedeng gamitin araw-araw. It's ideal for anyone who wants a simple and affordable na paraan para maprotektahan yung data nila nang hindi nalulunod sa technical setup o nakakalitong settings. You're getting essential VPN protection backed by a policy that clearly states your information isn't being tracked or sorted. Pero kung ikaw yung tipo na gusto ng extra assurance tulad ng independent audits on transparency reports, you might lean toward larger competitors for now. But for new users who want to browse safely at mapanatili ang privacy nila lalo na kung naka-budget, Fastest VPN's promise holds up well. As personal note lang, alam ko na sa simula parang nakaka-overwhelm talaga intindihin yung VPN privacy policies. Ang naming jargon at halos lahat ng kumpanya sinasabi nila yung pinaka-secure. Pero ang totoo, what matters most is transparency and consistency. Fastest VPN's zero-log approach keeps things simple. Hindi mo kailangan mag-alala sa komplikadong privacy settings or nakatagong data collection. Ginawa niya exactly kung ano yung gusto ng karamihan sa isang VPN. Keeps your online activity private. Kung gusto mong subukan ng Fastest VPN at magsimula for just $40 na one-time payment, don't forget to use our exclusive link in the description below. Gusto lang namin bagitin na affiliate links to, ibig sabihin pwede kaming kumita ng maliit ng commission pero wala namang extra cost from you. Kaya kung pipiliin mong gamitin ng links namin, sobrang thank you in advance sa suporta mo sa channel namin. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Yung channel na to ay nakafocus sa pag-breakdown ng mga VPN, privacy tools, and online security in a way that is easy to understand. Huwag kalimutan i-like ang video at mag-subscribe sa channel kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, and of course, leave any comments or questions below. Gusto naming makarinig ng feedback nyo. Maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod!